Hello, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Guys, today we are back and we want to continue with our previous video, and we are going to talk about the reaction people back home get when they hear that you want to go to the Gulf countries. And I want Abby to tell us what are the reactions that your people get.
Oh, this is so funny because when you tell people at home that you're going to Arab countries, the first reaction is negative. Very, very negative. Nobody has ever supported that idea. Do you know why? Because of the stories that are out there.
Yeah, the videos saturating
The videos
everywhere.
that are circulating on social media, the stories, some of the stories are coming from people who have been here. Some of the stories are just coming people who know nothing about Arab countries.
But these videos saturating on media, some are correct, some are just forged.
Yeah, and some people, they just get videos, I don't know from where, then they say, look, come look, this one from Arab countries. So when your mother or your father gets a chance to see that video, and then you go tell the same parent that you want to go to Arab countries, trust me, my friend, no one is going to listen to you. No one. No parent will allow their daughter to come to Arab countries. But is it true? When someone decides to come to Arab countries, what exactly makes someone want to come to Arab countries after all the stories that are going around, but your heart still tells you you must go? What things make people want to come to Arab countries?
You know, even the situation back home, the life back home, you may be there when you can't blink food on your table, you can't close your kid, you can't close yourself, so you don't have a job. You decide to get a passport, you come and work so that you can get money and live the life you ever wanted to live.
Yeah, so this thing about being discouraged to travel, please, if you've decided you want to come to Arab countries, let it come from your own heart. Just know why you want to come. That is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Just know why you've decided to come. Put that in front, put that in your mind, make it be like a way for you. But if you're going to listen to people, trust me, my friend, you will never step your feet here in Arab countries.
Even when you step your feet, you just stay for few
months, then you go back. So so many people are going to discourage you. They are going to tell you the bad things they have heard about these countries. They are going to tell you everything. Even some are just going to add the things they have never heard just to make you not to come.
But remember, everyone has his or her own chance.
Yeah.
You may be there afraid. Just you see the video saturating on social media and you say, oh, I'll never go to Arab countries, I'll never go there. Yet you have your own chance. You may come and get a better life.
Yeah, so what I'm going to tell you today, if your heart tells you and you feel like you want to go to Arab countries and hustle, my sister out there, just make the decision. Don't tell anyone. Talk to someone who is ready to listen to you, someone who will encourage you, someone who you trust, and then make that decision. Come, hustle, everything is fine. These stories of sijui watu wanalala na nyoka huko, sijui watu wanauliwa. Okay, watu wanauliwa, but even in our countries people are dying.
Yeah,
people are dying all over.
Even more than...
Siku yako ikifika imefika. Si lazima ukufie kwenu, unaweza kufia hata huku. People get sick. We get sick here like just the way we get sick back at home. So it's not like when you go to Arab countries you are not supposed to get sick, my sister. No. Come here, pray to God to protect you. When you get sick, tell your boss you're sick. They are going to treat you, you get medication, and everything will be fine. So, if you have decided to come to Arab countries, don't listen to people.
Yeah, don't listen.
Listen to your own heart. I'm telling you this from experience. Listen to your own heart. It's going to lead you and you will come and work. The reaction is always negative. No one will ever tell you a positive things about Arab countries. But trust me, there are so many positive things about Arab countries. So yeah, so as a person, come and have that experience. Come and work, get a chance. It's a chance. So many people are wishing to come, but they don't know even where to start. They don't have that chance. But you, maybe someone wants to connect you to go for a job, and then someone there back at home is discouraging you. Please leave the discouragement alone. Come work, make money, improve your life. We come here because we want to improve our lives back at home, because we want to pay our own bills, because we want to be independent, because we want to help other people, because we have parents and everything. So come here, work, and achieve your goals.